Candy can be shot at the person, but it doesn't disappear. It stays in the scene, just falls. So I'd like to make a boundary on the floor and need a mouth goal and scoreboard. Script for boundaries is good. Just call it goal. Create an empty game object onto the person. Mouth goal. Yeah, make it a trigger. Put that box in the face. There's a collider for the mouth. 300. That's a good playing field. Add boundaries. On trigger, enter capital. So when the candy gets to the floor, it's destroyed. Now we need a goal. Debug. Goal. Destroyed a game object. Score plus plus. Public game object. I can do that. I'd like to know how to get something privately though as well. I'll figure that out another time. First, I will just make it work. Score text. Score text dot get component score to string. So then I'll need to set up the text. Goal script should go on the mouth, and I just need to put in the text. Create UI text mesh pro. The score text can go to the mouth goal. There it is. The text doesn't need to say new text. Does need to say something. How does it know what to say? It needs to start with a 0. This should be score. I should make a game manager. Goal. So this should be moved over to game manager. Private void on trigger public void scored. There's a goal script, and it has private void on trigger enter the collider, and it will debug, tell me that there's been a goal, and it will find game manager, get the component game manager, and scored. Go to game manager, and here's scored. It will add to the score, and it will get text mesh component and add the score to string and display it on the screen, and then it will destroy the game object, the candy. I don't think this is going to display correctly. There's still something I'm missing. It says score on the side, but that number won't go up. Game manager, score text. It's right here. There. Object reference not sent to instant of an object. It did add the number 1, but it removed the word score, so I do need to correct that. Where is the problem? CS26, 26 here. Find the game manager, get the component game manager, and scored. I don't see game manager in my list here. Where's the game manager? I have game manager here. I press play. It's still there. Did the game manager, it just disappeared. Did the game manager destroy itself? Don't destroy it here. Do destroy it here. There. The score is counting. It would be nice if it said score before that. What's it counting? I know it's score, but if I start adding other numbers, it's going to be hard to remember that's the score. Pong here, it was just zeros. Where was it different? This one. Jump count text equals. There it is. Jump count colon. That's what I need. Score in quotations plus score to string. Score 1, score 2. The donut detour has been added to Unity. There's a score, there's a boundary for the floor, But the game needs more. It needs a challenge. Winning and losing needs to be defined, and art needs to be added to the outside. Um, need to have a building, an exterior and an interior of the building, as well as some idea of what the player should be able to do in that space. So it ties into the ideas of winning and losing.